cognitive revolution, understanding the complexity of the human brain. Welcome to Bite-Sized Science, where we explore fascinating scientific concepts in a concise and engaging way. Today, we dive into the cognitive revolution and explore the intricate workings of the human brain. The cognitive revolution marked a paradigm shift in our understanding of the human brain. It transformed our perspective on cognition, perception, and consciousness. At the center of this revolution is the neocortex, the outer layer of the brain responsible for higher cognitive functions like language, problem-solving, and decision-making. The brain's complexity lies not only in its structure but also in its interconnectedness. Billions of neurons communicate through intricate networks, forming the foundation of our thoughts, memories, and emotions. Neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to change and reorganize itself, plays a vital role in our learning, development, and recovery from injuries. Furthermore, the cognitive revolution led to a deeper understanding of states of consciousness. Brainwaves, which reflect the brain's electrical activity, vary depending on our mental states, such as wakefulness, relaxation, and deep sleep. And there you have it, a glimpse into the cognitive revolution and the complexity of the human brain. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to Bite-Sized Science for more captivating scientific content. Remember, knowledge is power,